Taking the glass out was the easy part. Putting it back in, that's a different story. This glass cost about $300 alone, and knowing me, I'm more than likely going to break it if I were to try to do it myself. Aside from the fact that a proper seal is important, and I should probably leave that to the professionals. So I called Applegate Auto Glass in Medford, Oregon, and let them do the job.
It fits. It's tight like a son of a bitch. It fits.
What is that?
This is a pinch weld primer, adhesive promoter, and a sealer. It is butyl rope. I don't like to glue these down because next time you got to get a windshield replacement, you have to replace the gasket if you do. This is a good sealant. Basically what they used back in the day. I got it. Stay there.
Okay.
What's the damage today?
Just $85. There we be, Mike.
Nice work.
Thank you, sir.
Appreciate it.
You're very welcome.
I got the rubber gasket online. It's manufactured by Precision. It was $58 on eBay. The install by Applegate Auto Glass was $85, so I'm at $143. And I think it was well worth it after seeing all the effort it took to put the glass in. It's way better in the long run. You're gonna get a great seal and a guarantee that your glass isn't gonna break. And if it does break, you're not the one that has to pay for it. Anyways, that's all I got for you. Thanks for tuning in. Until next time.